Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part first of question number 2 of exercise 3.4. Again, you have to form a pair of linear equation of this question, and after that you have to solve it by elimination method. So first of all, the question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So you have to find what should be the fraction. So in a fraction we know that there is a denominator. So let the numerator be equals to x and the denominator b equals to y. So our fraction should be x upon y. And according to the question in first case, it is given that if we add 1 to the numerator and if we add 1 to the numerator of a fraction and subtract 1 from the denominator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to, means the value of fraction becomes 1. So this is our first equation. You can solve it, cross multiplying it. This is x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1. This x can be shifted this side, 1 can be shifted that side. So this will become x minus y, then net positive, that side will become negative. So negative 1, negative 1. So the equation will become x minus y equals to minus 2, because negative negative is positive. So this is our first equation. After that, in second case, it is given that the fraction becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. In this case, we are only adding 1 to the denominator and the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So the value of this fraction must be equals to 1 by 2. Again you can solve it, cross multiplying it. So it will become 2x and this will become y plus 1. Now again we can shift. So this is 2x minus y equals to 1. So this is our second equation. Now we have two equations, and if you want to solve them by elimination method, you know that how to solve them. Simply you have to write those equations, which is 2x minus y equals to 1, and in second equation it is x minus y equals to minus 2. Here the coefficient of y is already equal, so you don't need to equate the coefficients. Only you have to subtract equation this from first equation, and we know that if you want to subtract, we have to change the sign. So this positive x will become negative x, this negative will become positive, and this negative again will become positive. So plus minus is minus, so 2 minus 1 is 1, because here when nothing is written, it is considered as 1. This positive, this negative can be cancelled out, and this plus is plus. So the value of x here is 3. So according to fraction, the numerator of the fraction is 3. And if you want to find the value of denominator, which is y, substitute this value of x in any of the equations. I am substituting it here in equation first. So the value of x is 3. So 3 minus y should be equals to minus 2. Now what you have to do is shift this constant to that side. So minus y will become minus 2, minus 3. This positive will become minus. So this is minus 5 minus y. So the value of y must be equals to 5, because negative value and negative value can be cancelled out. And denominator of the fraction should be equals to 5. So this is our fraction 3 upon 5. Thank you.